Hi everyone, I'm Ishita Tripathi. If you are joining me on my channel for the very first time, congratulations and welcome aboard! And to those of you who are here for quite some time now, thank you so much, cute people. It means a lot to me that you're here again. So, before I get into episode 4 of How to Not Become an Actor, I want to recap a little and talk about my personal opinion on episode 3. I think it's one of the most difficult things one can learn to do if they have not done it their entire life, because this is something that I'm still learning to do, and it is be kind to myself. And if you're trying to connect the dots and trying to figure out what am I talking about here, you will probably have to go back and watch episode 3 of the series. And to the rest of you, come watch episode number 4 of How to Not Become an Actor, where I talk about all the mistakes that I have made in my acting career so far. Let's go! In today's episode of How to Not Become an Actor, postpone learning. Whether it's formally learning acting, whether it's enrolling yourself in acting theatre workshops, whether it's learning from a mentor, whether it's doing theatre, postpone all of these things. Because in your mind, you constantly tell yourself that no, some people are born with it, and if you're not born with it, then you can get better at it by just auditioning. I guess that helps, but only if you learn from those mistakes. And then some people also say that, we got the chance to learn on the job. Congratulations to those of them who get this opportunity to learn on the job. But if you're not getting that opportunity, no big deal about it. There are so many amazing workshops, theatre groups, acting classes that are there to help you, to support you, to refine your skills, to understand yourself better as an actor and a person. And also have many preconceived notions that if you start doing theatre, if you start joining and attending regular acting classes, you will become this kind of actor, that kind of actor, and keep these voices playing in your head day in and out. And when you keep listening to those voices, I can tell you for sure that you will not be an actor. Or even if you become one while still having these beliefs, then I don't know what to say about that. Good for you. So that was episode 4 of How to Not Be an Actor. If you have any questions or suggestions, do let me know in the comments below. And I will see you in the next one. Take care until then.